I call upon Principal of NRCM, Dr. Lokanadam, to brief about the institute's profile.
Today's chief guest, respected Goreti Venkanna Garu, a renowned social reformer, lyricist, singer, poet, and guest of honor, DG Ramurthy Garu, and our beloved Chairman of Narasimha Reddy Engineering College, Jakkula Narasimha Reddy Garu, Secretary Trishul Reddy Garu, Treasurer Trilok Reddy Garu, our Director Dr. Mohan Garu, all the heads, deans, staff, and respected parents, my dear students, good morning one and all. It is my pleasure on this wonderful occasion to share few important topics to our first year BTech students. Students might have taken admission at Narasimha Reddy Engineering College either by choice or by chance, but on behalf of management, our heads of the departments, deans, and faculty members, we promise, we assure you that we will give the best of teaching learning process to each and every student who has taken admission at our NRCM. On this occasion, I am congratulating all the students who has taken admission at our NRCM. What is our special features and what are our credentials of Narasimha Reddy Engineering College? It is my responsibility to share what we are. Narasimha Reddy Engineering College, established in 2007, and the college is accredited by NAC with A grade. To our credit, and it is our proud to announce that all the UG engineering programs are accredited by National Board of Accreditation. In addition to that, institution got autonomous from UGC. If you take, there may be very few institutions which are having all these credentials like NAC A grade accreditation of all the UG programs by NBA, autonomous status. So these accreditations will institution, either NAC accreditation or NBA accreditation extended by autonomous bodies of AICTE. So therefore, it is a benchmark and our credential to ensure that quality teaching learning process being extended at NRCM. And these accreditations ensure that state-of-the-art infrastructure is being available at NRCM. It ensures that which extends the best of teaching learning process at NRCM. So therefore, my dear students, if I look at today's gathering, I am very happy. Parents are even more than today's student strength. It shows they have lot of ambitions, lot of expectations on their children. Now it is our collective duty to fulfill the expectations, ambitions, and goals of the parents. It is our responsibility and your responsibility. On behalf of staff and students and HODs, everybody, it is my promise to every student and every parent that we are committed to deliver best of teaching learning process, maintaining utmost discipline and providing best teaching learning process, best infrastructure. It is your turn to sculpture, to construct your career in the next 4 years. Fortunately, autonomous institutions are having the liberty and provision to review their curriculum every year as per the needs of industry, as per the needs of society, as per the needs and taste of every from the first year onwards. Because of our strong BOS, Board of Studies consists of eminent academicians from IITs, NITs, state universities, industry experts, top level alumni, and existing faculty of the department, senior faculty and HODs. They will design and deliver the curriculum as per the needs of society and industry. From the day one, from the first semester onwards, what is industry needs, we know very well. And our curriculum of 4 years is designed what is required in first semester, second semester, up to fourth semester, eighth semester. So therefore, students must be very cautious. So my humble request to each and every parent, please, you are always welcome to our institution. At least visit our institution, visit the department, meet the HOD, meet the counselor once in a semester. What for? To know about the performance of reward. For you, only one children. For us, more than 5,000 children are there in the campus. We are taking care of their requirements. But at the same time, we need the support and monitoring of the parents, because up to now, students are with you from class 1 to up to intermediate. Now they are in the free society. Though therefore, even though our ward is very good, but external factors should not make them to divert their goal. In this connection, once again, my sincere appeal to each and every parent, please visit our institution at least once in a semester. Without fail, meet the HOD. And we used to conduct parent-teacher meeting every semester. For that meeting, in spite of a very busy schedule, attend and know your performance of reward. And in this, what is the importance of this today's orientation? In this orientation meeting, our deans, director and speakers will explain the importance of next 4 years. Up to this point of time, whatever your performance is not the matter. By the time you are coming to 4th year, when you are facing the interview board, their interview panel, you will be asked, what are your credentials? Then you should speak about, this is my CGPA, this is my percentage. There it decides for which package, for which kind of career you are suitable for. So these 4 years are very, very, very important. Take for example, the previous students of our alumni. Some students might have got the job of 3.5 lakhs, some students 7 lakhs, few students of 11 and above. For all the types of students, the teaching learning is same, classroom delivery is same, infrastructure is same, our efforts are same. But there is a difference because of the efforts of the every individual. So therefore, we are very keen about discipline, regularity, punctuality, maintaining attendance. Every student has to supposed to maintain, expected to maintain more than 90%, but a minimum 75% attendance must be there. And in the class, you must be an active student, and you must grab whatever the knowledge maximum possible from the teachers. Then only you can excel in all the domains. So therefore, on behalf of, once again, management, staff and students and HODs, cordial welcome to NRCM. And in the next sessions, in detail, we'll explain about various aspects of autonomous teaching learning process, internals, externals, code of conduct, regulations, everything. Now it's because of very short period of time, the renowned personalities are there in the stage. We are eagerly waiting for their speeches. That motivates you a lot. So therefore, thank you once again, and congratulations each and every student who has taken admission at NRCM in first Tech class. Thank you.